what's up, y'all? It's Honky Monster back on my channel, and we are back on Demolition Derby 3 and I'm playing Demolition Derby 3 with my sister today. She's gonna get an intro for this.
Hello guys, it's me.
No, aren't you gonna record it?
Oh. Hello guys, I'm here playing Demolition Derby with my brother.
Hello, guys. It's Honky Monster.
And we're going to play Demolition Derby 3.
I'm
going to
gonna
play how many rounds?
Like 5.
5. So let's see who is going to be the winner today. Let's start with maybe racing.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm going to use Sherry's formula because it's the fastest car.
Okay.
And I'm just see if there's any more. I think I'm going to paint the wheels. Not this color.
On a Formula 1 car?
Yeah. I think this color is really cool. And I'm not going to paint the glasses. This one I think is good already. And I already put the
I think I'm gonna host the game.
Okay. So let's start with the first round and see who's going to win.
I'm using racing.
I'm going to join the game.
And I'm gonna do the racing.
Okay. So which one is the number?
EU.
EU.
I don't know what that is.
Let me see. Oh, underscore. Yeah.
7-3.
8-3.
No, it's 7-3.
I know.
6. 2. 9.
Okay. Let's join. Okay. 2 laps. Yours Venom. Mine is Cherie's formula. Let's see. Let's hope I'm not lagging.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm lagging.
Hey! I painted.
Why are you so fast?
'Cause I am.
Wait.
The legend.
Wait, I cannot move. Oh, okay.
So I painted red with a yellow. I painted red with a yellow, energized thing. I'm trying to make it look like Lightning McQueen.
Oh.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging a little bit too, which is kind of weird.
Yeah.
Another weird thing is the steering wheel it's invisible.
Oh.
I really don't know why, but it is.
Yeah. I'm so bad at this game, guys. So sorry for my bad gameplay.
I just put 2 laps, so yeah. Oh, we talked at the same time.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm lagging a little bit too.
And this is blinding me, the light. Ah!
What's wrong with your car?
Drifting and going crazy.
Using steering wheel. You know,
Oops.
the steering wheel doesn't work for me, so I have to use arrows.
Oh, yeah. I prefer using the steering wheel. I think it's easier for me. I don't know why.
Oh, whatever. I put medium.
I'm going in almost 200 miles an hour.
I'm using kilometers per hour, cause I don't want anyone to get disappointed, right?
Yep. I'm already in lap 2. I crashed.
Can I restart the car? No? Oh well.
Oh, I don't know where I went, but I think it's okay.
So, okay. So, I'm doing really good at this game, guys, because I'm the legend.
Yeah.
I'm going around 240, 250, now 260, to almost, 270. Wow, almost 275.
I don't know how to not crash. Wow.
Well,
this.
Wow, you're such a noob.
And I crashed into a cactus. I don't know why. I don't know.
I'm gonna slow down so I'm not gonna crash.
I'm so laggy.
I'm lagging a little bit too, but I won.
You finished it.
Yes!
Why is my progress stuck at 50%?
I don't know.
It's really strange. So I'm just going to quit.
I think you just took a shortcut.
No, because I crashed and then I restarted the car, and it just teleported to, like on top of it, not on the finish line, like on top of it. You're going to see on the filming after this. So
And it makes you still to 50%.
yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
So first we're going to do three.
I I think you're gonna do like maybe
First we're going to
only one part.
either one or two. I don't know because it's going to be a long video.
I think you'll choose maybe three.
Three what?
3 parts.
3? I think that's a lot. Maybe 2. I think 2. It's fine.
Okay, so
Now let's do the.
I'm choosing another faster car, a Ford GT, which is the Gurney Classic, which is a Ford GT. I'm gonna join the game.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the demo. This time is a demo.
Oh, I think I'm going to. No, I'll just go with the one that I was planning. Or this one. I'm going to go with this one. So let me paint
You
it
cannot use
down.
that car yet because it's cheating.
Mm-mm. Okay, I won't use this card. I will use.
Okay. Well, here goes the pop-up ads.
Host game. Host.
Hey, you're gonna choose demo?
Oh.
Oh, you just choose the demo. Which one do you want to choose?
Incline destruction. Okay. So.
Unveiled match
EU.
ID? Unveiled match ID? What?
I need to go here.
Oh.
EU.
EU
Underscore. 647
647
40.
40. Now join. That's weird.
Gurney Classic.
Yep.
This is round 2. Let's see. People say it's bad, but they don't.
I don't know if I'm lagging.
I hope I'm not lying.
Wait, I didn't even put. Wait a second. I did not put nitrous on. God darn it. And also, you're a big car. Dang it! Man, you're really heavy. I'm already a black tire. What the hell? This is so ridiculous. You just took 2 black tires.
I cannot see you. This car is too big.
Because
Oh, I already.
you need to change the camera.
Oh,
I'm almost red health.
really?
Yeah.
Let me see. No, it's dark green.
I know, but we're playing Demolition Derby 3, okay? Oh my goodness.
Dang.
Maya, why are you still green? That doesn't even make any sense. You have a heavy car, and I'm a small car. I think I'm gonna do 3 parts too.
I'm going to do 2 parts.
Okay. Man,
Oh,
you're
at.
oh my goodness, I flipped you.
Yeah.
I think, man, you're a big car and I can't hit you because you're so heavy.
You have orange head.
Uh-oh. Run! Okay, there's a gap. I can escape. I'm gonna escape. Oh, I'm
Don't do
I'm
that.
lagging.
Don't do that.
What? They have invisible walls? God darn it. They have invisible walls. So I can't go. Oh my goodness. I gotta run.
Come on.
No.
You have orange head.
Man, your
I
truck is...
ask you a question. I want to know why.
Oh, you popped me a back wheelie. Jesus
You have
Christ.
red head.
Uh-oh. No. Please have mercy. I'm too small.
I don't care. Cause I don't go.
You should
I'm here.
you should have got to the like a not a heavy car, almost a heavy car, like the heavy class. Oh my goodness, this is so hard. She's a heavy car, and I'm a supercar, and I can't hit her because she's so heavy. You should have got like a heavy car in the next demo.
This is a heavy car.
Man, all of my three wheels are black. This is not good. And look at my other red. The other wheel is red.
Come on, how are you not dead yet?
Because I am. I don't know why. Because you're not hitting me hard.
Because you're not letting me kill you.
But because you're not hitting it too hard. Your health is dark green. Oh my goodness.
Your health is red.
I don't care. Wait, what the heck? Why is my back wheel turning? That's weird.
I don't know. I'm just trying to kill you. Come on, you're already dead.
Hey, come on! This is a long. It's gonna take like 1 hour. Dang it! I was trying to kill you, man. Okay.
1, 2, 1. The one that
All right, so I'll do the part 2. Okay.